guys, this is Faithlyn with Elegance for Less. Good morning. I am going to do an Easter DIY for you. Now I have two of them in mind, but I believe I will post them back to back. All right, so the first one we want to do is a bunny table centerpiece. And I shared with you guys on my Tuesday morning haul these bunnies when I purchased them last year. And I got them from Pier 1 for $7.99 and 90% off. So I could not resist, even though I didn't need them because I have two other sets, but they were very inexpensive and I knew I could incorporate them this year. So the other thing I want to share with you guys that you will need is a Dollar Tree cylinder. Now I shared with you guys, and I will link down below, when I created this moss cylinder, and it was a lantern. I absolutely love it. I will share that video on how to make it. So I decided I want to incorporate it in this DIY. So you will need a cylinder if you want to make your centerpiece identical to this. So this is a Dollar Tree cylinder with some moss and flowers. You will need some form of light. You can use the fairy lights from the Dollar Tree. I am using these lights that I hauled from Joann's, and they had them off 66% off, and I purchased them last year. You'll also need a charger. Now this is a Dollar Tree charger, an old one, and so I decide I am going to use this one. You will need some kind of wreath. You can use the Dollar Tree wreath, or you can use any wreath you already have. I love this one because it does remind me of spring. I oftentimes use it during the winter as well, but I think it's absolutely perfect for spring as well. So you will need some sort of wreath. You'll need some eggs, and this was an egg that I purchased from Pier 1 as well. Last year I shared with you guys on a haul that I did, and this was last year, out of season. I purchased it, which is the best time to buy. It was $6.95 and I got 90% off. Same with the larger eggs. This one was $9.95. Okay, so these are the things you will need to create the centerpiece. Now, I want to say I purchased this about 2 or 3 years ago, didn't use it. I got it from Michael's when they had it. I want to say it was 50% off at the time. It was new, it was during the spring season, but I didn't use it. It's $3.99 and 50% off. I'm going to incorporate it in this DIY today. So if you want to use moss, that is perfectly fine as well. I just have it and have not used it, and it goes really well with my eggs. So I'm thinking I want to incorporate it. Don't know what it's gonna look like, haven't done it yet, so let's jump right in. Obviously, you will definitely need your glue gun and your glue sticks. The first thing I want to do is hot glue my wreath on top of my charger. So you're going to lay some glue down, just so it doesn't move. I am thinking I want to have some light going on the inside of the cylinder as well. So I grab a Dollar Tree light, just add some battery to it, and I want to go ahead and glue it onto the inside of my cylinder. So I have to move my bunny and make sure that I'm able to hit the switch. So I cannot have him all the way down. So just the front is glued and the side will be without glue. So I'm just holding that in place. The bunny is still on, just one side is not. Then I want to go ahead and drop my light down on the inside. I just feel it would be cute to have some light glowing from the inside of the cylinder as well. Okay, so now that that's done, I want to go ahead and start placing my eggs. There is no right or wrong. They're just random places for your eggs. Okay guys, so this is how it turned out. Love the light glowing from the inside of the cylinder as well as down below. You can add some moss if you wanted. You can even add more spring flowers. I think that would be beautiful. Okay guys, this is the idea that I have for a centerpiece. I hope you like it. If you do, give me a thumbs up and share with your family and friends. I truly appreciate your time and your support. I will see you on my next DIY.